Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display GLTF, GLB or Draco GLTF models inside ThreeJS, and we will also see how to use animation from your GLTF model. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have created one normal HTML CSS TypeScript project using Vite, so you can do the same. Inside package.json I have installed two dependency. First is ThreeJS, so 3 inside dependency, and inside dev dependency for TypeScript I have also installed @type/3. Then inside my public folder I have taken few models which I have got from the Chronos GitHub. You can just search for GLTF models GitHub. You will find that Chronos repository from which you can download all this models. So inside duck I have different types of GLTF models for duck. So here you can see GLTF binary, Draco, embedded, and same for flight, helmet as well. Then there is fox. Okay, and next inside src index.html I have taken our canvas element of id canvas, position fixed, top left 0, outline none, and here we are referencing our main.ts file. So here we have created our main.ts file as well, and here you can see these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports. These are for GLTF loader, Draco loader, and orbit controls. We are first getting hold of our canvas. Here we are creating our scene. Here I have created one GLTF loader, so ignore all this code. I'll come back to this in a bit. And here I have created one floor mesh which receives a shadow. I have also created some ambient light and directional light. Make sure you have this ambient light, directional light every time, because some of these GLTF models are created using mesh standard material which requires some kind of a light to get displayed, otherwise you won't able to see your GLTF model. Then I have created our size. Here I have created one perspective camera. I've set the position. Here I have created orbit controls, WebGL renderer as well. This is for receiving the shadow. For resize we are just updating camera as well as our renderer, and on double click we enter or exit full screen. And here we have created our clock, and here this is the tick function to update our controls. Okay, so this is the output. As you can see, nothing much. Now I will show you how to load each and every model. So this one is for loading a GLTF model. So here you can see inside public models duck, so I am loading this. So if I open this, it has different files like .gltf, .bin, .png, and if I do Control S, here you can see our duck has been displayed. So just pass the path, and all you have to do is scene.add gltf.scene. If you want to use the progress as well as the error callback, you can use that as well. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Now the second one is for GLB models. So if you see the GLB models, they are just one file, so it is kind of like a binary file. Again, same code, only the path will be changed, and if you see, the output is same. Okay, so I'll comment this out one as well. Next is the embedded one. Again, same thing. All I have done is that I have changed the path. So if I show you the embedded one, here you can see duck.gltf, same output. Now I will show it for flight helmet as well, but inside flight helmet, so this is the we'll look into Draco later on. So this is the flight helmet, and if you see, there are a lot of files. Also don't worry about this. This would be given by your designer or whoever has created the 3D model. The only thing which I want to tell you is I have changed the path. Also I have changed the scale as well for gltf.scene.scale, because otherwise the model is quite small. So if I do, here you can see it even if it is local, it does take a second or two to get displayed. So this is the flight helmet model. So I will comment that one out as well. Not much. Then we come to how to play animations with GLTF model. So firstly you will have to ask your 3D designer whether he has added some animations or not. So for this fox, I know that there are some animations because this is the open source GLTF model from Chronos. So I will just load. Okay, so here you can see this, the animation is still not playing, but the model is loaded. So here you can see I'm just passing the path to our model. This is the important part of creating a mixer. So here I'm creating an animation mixer, passing the scene to it, and here I have created an action and I'm playing that action. Also I have set the scale because the fox is too big, so make sure if you are using the same model you change the scale. And here we are adding our scene, gltf.scene. Okay, now why is the animation not playing? So here for this fox I know that there are 3 animations. So here I'm playing the last animation. So animation index start from 0, 1, 2, so on and so forth. So I know the last animation which is there are 3 animation and the last animation would be at 2 index, right? Now to play this animation you also have to, inside your tick function you have to uncomment this as well, mixer.update delta time. So now you can see the fox is playing the animation. I think there is another type of animation as well, walk animation, which is at index 1. So if I do that, here you can see it is now walking. And there is another one, 0. If I do that, here you can see it is now just idle and looking sideways. So that's how you can play animation in GLTF. I'll comment this out as well and comment this one out. Next, the last one is the Draco GLTF. So if you see inside duck, there is this GLTF Draco. It is kind of a compression algorithm which was created by Google. So mostly Draco GLTF are like smaller in size, but just because it is smaller in size doesn't mean you have to use it, because it does take a little bit more time, I think for your GPU or CPU, I'm not really sure, for to process that compression algorithm. So sometimes you might even get bad performance as compared to normal GLTF, GLB, those kind of models. So here to use Draco, you have to first initialize Draco loader. You have to pass this decoder path, then the decoder config as well. Then we have to make use of our GLTF loader and set it as a Draco loader. Then same thing, gltf loader.load, pass the path of your Draco model and just do scene.add gltf.scene. So here you can see this is the output. So yeah, that's how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Bye.